Hello everybody, I'm Rudrani and I'm so excited to be meeting Rashi, the red carpet here in Hyderabad. Feel ही अलग है because it's look at the electric atmosphere because everybody knows that she's performing and let's talk about that.
I'm very excited. I think mine is the only melody which has songs from all the languages. So I'm pretty excited. It's also the longest, but I enjoy dancing on stage. And Hyderabad is my city, so I'm very happy that Film Fair is happening here and very excited to be on stage. Yeah.
Absolutely fantastic. You know what, Rashi, I also know that there are so many films this year, such fantastic films. I want to know a few favorites of yours that you've really enjoyed and you're rooting for.
I loved Aadu Jeevitham. I loved Kalki. What a spectacular film. I think South Indian cinema is slowly and steadily just rising and making such good content. And I'm very, very proud. I feel very proud that I started here, you know. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to a lot more that are coming. Yeah.
No, absolutely. Okay, quick 3 questions, okay? A rumor about yourself that makes you laugh. It has to be really funny.
It has to be funny. That I did something to lose weight. Like that's what they say. But yeah, I have done something. I worked out very, very hard. That makes me laugh. Yeah.
She took the hard.
Yes, yes.
Okay, an underrated actor.
Me. Because I still think I have so much more to offer. I just feel those roles find me, but I think I'm getting there.
Okay. Now the last one is an actor who you would like to swap your life with. If there was a situation like that, who would the actor be and why?
I'd love to swap lives with Allu Arjun. He has such a crazy fan base and he dances like a dream. I would just like to be him for a day, probably. Yeah, just to feel how it feels. Yeah.
Excellent choices as usual. Thank you so much, and I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Thank you once again. And of course, I'm super excited to be in Hyderabad with Aparna. Now that doesn't happen too often.
Yeah.
I come here and I get to do this chat with you on the red carpet. Exciting night for you tonight.
Yeah, very exciting. Performing tonight, so looking forward to that.
And I was just talking about the fact that you have people around you who have collaborated already, right? And they're also on stage.
Yeah.
Tonight. How exciting is that?
I think it's great. Like a night like Film Fair brings all of us together. The entire, almost everyone from the South industry comes together, and even for us, it's a star-stuck moment. Most of it is like to see our stars. It's beautiful.
Of course. And then you have Sandeep anchoring. Tell us about that.
I think that's the most exciting part today. After Ryan, we never thought we would come in a stage together like this, and I'm really happy about that.
I'm very excited. Okay, I'll quickly ask some fun questions. A rumor about yourself that makes you really laugh.
Oh my God, I'm not sure. Like I haven't.
Funny rumor.
I haven't I've heard I'm getting married to some guy and all. Like I've heard those rumors to a person I know only. So that was a very funny rumor. My relatives started calling my dad like, when did this happen? You didn't tell me. And my dad was like, sorry, it was all very quick. So we take it like that.
Okay then, an underrated actor from it can be from Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, any industry. An underrated actor still.
I think a lot of people. I love Siddharth, and I think, I would tell his name, but he's proved himself and all those things. So I think I'm not sure if he's here today, but I love Siddharth.
Of course. And the last one is, if you had to swap your life with another actor, who would you pick and why?
Another actor. I probably would, because I'm in Hyderabad, I would probably swap it with Allu Arjun sir.
Of course.
I want to dance like him.
Aparna has great choice in real life and in movies always. Thank you so much. It was lovely chatting.
Thank you.
With Allu Suresh, look who I bumped into the red carpet, who was quickly going to go away, but I had to. It's an exciting night.
Yeah.
What are your thoughts on it? Who are you looking forward to meet and watch?
My friend, a very close friend of mine, SKN, he's the producer of this film Baby. So last year I didn't have. Last year I didn't even have a release, so I can't even expect a nomination. So I'm not even nominated, but I'm so happy to be a part of Film Fair. Every year it happens, and most of the years I make it. So and they're nominated in a lot of categories. I think 8 categories, and I loved everybody's work, right from Anand Devarkonda to Vaishnavi Chaitanya to the music, to all were like upstarts. So it's like great to see. Like my friend is also like a young upcoming guy. We've been friends for 15 years. He was the PR person for me and my brother for like a decade before turning a producer. So we've kind of got him into the industry and all of that. So I want to cheer for my friend SKN, Sinu, we call him Sinu, and the director Sai Rajesh again, who's been a friend since like a decade. So I'm rooting for my friends, but let the best man win. You know, it has to be the best man wins. Yeah.
And of course, the song, the Pushpa 2 has dropped, and the song and everything.
Yeah, the song has created a lot of buzz. Yeah.
What do you think? Are you excited? Tell me.
Pretty excited. I'm looking forward to 6th of December. Of course, like everybody else. I'm kicked about it, and I've been hearing that they're going to make 3 parts. I'm like, no. That's like, I'm like, let's see, like, you know, from 1 to 2 and all of that. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited. Cool.
Thank you. It was lovely bumping into you. Thank you once again. Pleasure.